Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've done several videos on something just like this, but I thought I'd make another one because it's got some little specks of black, and this somebody sent me this image, and there's a couple ways you could get rid of the white background. And a neat little trick is when you have this open and you click on the white, if you look right down here in your fill, you can see it's an RGB white. And if you click on the black, it shows you it's a black. So there's basically only two colors in this thing. There's 52 objects though. So one way to do it would be to just click on it. You know you got white and delete it. But you'd have to do that through all this. The other way would be to take the black and cursor over on the bigger pieces of black. On the bigger pieces of black. But at some point you might grab some of the white, and there's these little black specks that kind of make the fish unique all through this drawing. So let's do this. Let's go with find and replace, edit, find. And we're not going to replace, we're just going to find objects. Begin a new search, next. We're looking for a fill, a uniform fill, next. I'm going to move this. And then specify the color. And when you click this down arrow, you'll get the eyedropper. Of course, we can only see that much of the white, but it is the white. And this is in the way, but this is next, next, finish, find all, and then let's move this out of the way. And you could either hit the delete key or you could just cursor the white over in case you'd miss some of the black. So all the black stays. Now you could do the same thing with the black. Let me move this fish over a little bit. And maybe my dialogue won't come up in the way. Let's go to find object, begin a new search, find fields, uniform fields, next. Specify color. We're pretty sure it's going to be black. But let's get the eyedropper tool and just click on that black. Hit finish or next. Finish. Find all. And then cursor over just the black. So you've got the white left. Now there is one thing you could do with this white. You could put an outline around it and left click. And now you have a vector that's a little bit different than this because it's around the white. Instead of having this, you've got a little different look. But anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.